Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing BBQ Box. This is a monthly barbecue subscription box. Each of these boxes is curated by Myron Mixon, who is a pit master. They're $24.99 plus shipping. They include one sauce, one rub, one wood chip sample, one of Myron's own recipe, and one edible like jerky or something like that. I don't know what's in here yet. We're going to find out together. This is my favorite barbecue box because it's really well priced. And you get something like to complete an entire recipe. Great for dads. Alright, so our recipe this month is, this is the May box. This is chicken. You're going to be using chicken, and the recipe is blackened chicken Alfredo pasta. When you subscribe, you're going to select your favorite barbecue style. Like mine is North Carolina. I love tangy, like vinegar. And you're going to select your favorite kind of meat. For me, it's brisket. For everybody else, it's different. Now, I don't know how much they actually curate the boxes to that, but they do ask that upon subscription. So maybe that's something to think about. So here's our recipe, and then they go through step by step how to create this. All right, I have noticed the things that they don't, now this is blackened chicken. You're going to be using a grill to make this. They don't include a wood sample in those boxes because you don't need it. All right, so our jerky for the month is jerky.com's Jamaican jerky. This is a chicken jerky. This looks really good, actually. It looks super yummy. I love jerky. It's carb-free. All right. So in lieu of that, now they don't leave you hanging like you ain't going to get your fourth item or whatever. You get 3 items. The last box was like that. They make kebabs, I believe, or something. And clearly you're not going to smoke kebabs. All right. So right here we have Busha Brown's traditional jerk seasoning rub. Ooh, my husband's going to be so excited to try this. It doesn't look like a rub, like a dry rub. It's like almost looks like a marinade, like a, not a marinade, but a thicker, like a paste. So that's exciting. And everything's wrapped really well, which is great. Ooh, capers. Ooh. So there's a whole thing of capers here. I love capers in salads and chicken, like Italian dishes. So that's great. I love them. All right, and then our third and final jar item, I should say, is, what is it? So this is Chef Paul Prudhomme Magic Seasoning Blends Blackened Steak Magic. That sounds really good. So you're going to use, instead of salt, pepper, and all other herbs and spices, it's a spice rack in a bottle. Blackened Steak Magic is highlighted by accents of fennel seed and French lavender and enhances the flavor of any cut of meat. Perfect for use on steaks, ground meat, prime rib, veal, and lamb. Just sprinkle on while cooking and enjoy its unique flavor. Also tasty on poultry, seafood, vegetables, soup, rice, beans, and pasta dishes. No MSG preservatives and gluten-free. Oh my gosh, so does this not look exciting? I'm definitely looking forward to using this stuff. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link down below to BBQ Box so you can check them out if you're interested. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.